Introducing the SECRUI Wireless Doorbell, a smart yet powerful doorbell suitable for any home or business. This doorbell features a weatherproof design reaching 1,000-foot range. It is easy to install. Simply stick the doorbell to the outside of the home and plug it in wherever you desire inside the home. Place it in any room or bring it outside with you so it's always nearby. It includes 32 chimes, 5 volume levels, and a colorful LED indicator. Greet your guests your way with the SECRUI Wireless Doorbell.
SadoTech's StarPoint collection of wireless doorbells is an incredibly affordable way to keep your home or office space safe and secure. Our StarPoint system is a configurable and expandable doorbell system that can easily add on 20 or more extra receivers, transmitter buttons, motion sensors, and door sensors. With StarPoint, you can custom build your own system that fits your particular needs. Set your large home or office up with the best doorbell system, and you'll always be alerted no matter what room you're in. The pairable technology is easy to use and allows you to mix and match L-series components easily with one or multiple receivers. Receivers can be configured to ring with different chimes so that you know which transmitter was triggered. This is a very convenient feature if you have multiple doorway entries. No matter what the size of your home or office is, SadoTech has you covered. Stay alert with StarPoint.
Don't you wish we lived in the future where we didn't have to sacrifice our coziness to figure out who's at the front door?
Well, the future is calling, and it's called RemoBell.
Yes.
RemoBell. It's a wireless video doorbell.
Quickly install on your front door, your porch, the garage you share with your annoying neighbor, or any other weird places you might want to keep an eye on. Installation is easy. Just screw this baby on like this, and you're good to go. Seriously, that's it.
Guess what? The perfect dress I ordered online is finally coming. And despite my zen-like patience, I can't help but check tracking info every few minutes and sprint towards the door every time I hear a sound. But now with RemoBell, false alarms, stolen moments, and crushed dreams are a thing of the past. It will let me know the exact second that my package arrives at the door by giving me a motion sensor notification. Quickly deal with the outside world, your way, on your time. Hey! Well, I'll be out in a minute.
Yeah, no problemo. I'm just chillaxing.
No.
Hey, sweet touch. Yeah. Oh, shoot.